Hey, if you're out here posting content, dropping links, showing up on your platforms, but there is no clicks, no sales, nothing, you are probably doing one of these 5 mistakes that are probably killing your market results silently. I have made them, but I have fixed them, and the results is unreal. I've seen the result is so good. So let's jump in and make sure to watch till the last point. The last point almost made me quit. So make sure to watch till the end, and please feel free to subscribe, click notification bell so that once I post a video, you'll get notified. To the video. The first mistake is posting without a goal. Yeah, I know. Posting without a goal. This one can mess you everything. It sounds simple, but trust me, it messes up everything. Ask yourself a simple question. Why are you posting? What is the goal of you posting that content? Or what is the goal of you posting that product? Beginners, me included, we just post to feel productive. To feel like, yeah, I posted to, just to feel like, yeah, I posted today. So, yeah, I'm productive I'm a content creator. I make digital products. Guess what? If you don't know what the post is about, like you don't know that your post is meant to bring traffic to your product, it is meant to attract attention to your product, build trust, or to bring a sale or to make your first sale, then just know you are making a lot of noise. If you don't have the goal of I am posting this one, I'm posting this thing to make a sale, I'm posting this content to build trust to my customer or to attract someone to bring traffic to my product, you have to know what you're posting for. If you don't have any goal, just know you're just making a lot of, you're just yapping in front of people, and people can't stay there listening to all of that things. They want something which will help them. They want something which is driven to something. Like if you're making this product, make sure like it is meant to bring traffic to your product. It is meant to bring trust. Make someone trust you. Why should I buy from you? Bring that trust. Yourself this question. Is this content I'm posting, is it for engagement? Is it to bring my first sale? Or is it to show that I'm existing? I'm just there. Be clear. Once I realized what I'm posting is for driving traffic to my product, everything got clear. Confused posts bring confused results. Like people don't know, in this content, are we supposed to go and check the product? Are we supposed to buy? Are we supposed to just know that you exist? Are we supposed to trust you? Trust me, you. Be confused just as you, the way you are posting that content. The second mistake makes it even worse. Product are not the solution. I know all of us here, we want to sell the product. Yes, I have not disagreed. We all want to sell the product. But our client, are they willing to buy your product? Or they are willing to make a purchase of what is going to solve their problem? I used to say stuff like, my product, when you buy my planner, it has 30 pages. My planner, 5 sections, it has 3 cover pages. It is colorful. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Nobody is interested in your features. What they want is what is going to help them inside your planner. What do you offer? I want to hear is that when you buy this planner, it will help you organize your day. It will help you track the amount of water you take. It will help you be motivated, be self-motivated, be self-driven. You now see the shift from when I was saying my planner has 30 pages, my planner has 5 sections, my planner is colorful. You know, see the section. If somebody wants to buy and meets these two sellers, the first one talking about the features of his planner, and the second one explaining how I have explained the benefits of the planner, which one will the client buy? For sure, let's be honest here, which one will the client buy? With the second one, because it has already showed it values, it is going to help him solve certain situation in his life or her life. Talk to their pain, talk to their desires. Makes people click. And if you're saying all the things right, mistake number 3, and erase all your effort. Repeating yourself. Not repeating yourself. This one can erase all your effort. Like you have already tell the benefits of your product, you have already tell your customer, you know what you're posting, what it is meant for, to bring traffic. But the third mistake, I promise it will cancel all your effort, not repeating yourself. You are like, but I just posted it, why should I repeat myself? People forget. Let me tell you, people forget. That's why once you, every time like you go on a YouTube channel, even if it's a person who has like millions of subscribers, they will always make sure to remind you, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. And if in that case, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Once I post a video, you get notified. One thing for sure, people forget. People will scroll in lots of videos. They will forget what you had said earlier. Just because you said it once does not mean that they will remember. Does not mean that they heard it or even took it serious. You need to repeat your message over and over again. Repeat your message. Repeat over and over again in different ways. Say it as a short video, say it as a tip, say it as a message, share it as a short video. Same message, different outfit. Same message, different outfit. But make sure you repeat yourself over and over again. People need to hear you. People, this should be ringing in their mind every time, like, oh my god. I hope you have seen this ad. This ad, when once you click on a video in YouTube, once you click on a video YouTube, it just pop up. I think even now I'm like, I'm about to cram it. Is this person, I don't know if I can tag that. I'm tired of hearing it. It's like it's in my head now. This person is talking about creating a website. It's about creating like medicines. Every time that person have made it. I don't sell medicine. I'm not into medicine, but how that person has advertised his work, he has made me feel like I need to check that. I need to check that website. I need to check that app, how it is working, how it is functioning, because he has brought it up well. Like, it has everything. Repeating himself. At first I was bored, but every time I click on a video, I must see that person. For me, I used to be scared. I used to be scared to repeat myself. I felt like people are tired of seeing me, people are tired of hearing my voice. But I learned one thing: repetition builds recognition. And once you are recognized, a lot of people trust you. And once people trust you, they can buy from you because they trust you, they trust your products. You get sales. Now from repetition to recognition, now to trust and sales. Now always repeat yourself. I beg, please, always repeat yourself. Never post once and say like, that video that I posted will bring me sales. No, keep repeating yourself. Let people be tired of what you are saying, but it is still it. Even if they will just scroll, it will be, they'll be the mind like, okay, maybe I can check that product. Maybe it will be good, and boom, you have got a click in your product. Let's talk about the trap that people fall into without even realizing the fourth mistake. Relying on only one platform. You are promoting your product, but in only one platform, like only one. Maybe it's Facebook, maybe it's Pinterest, maybe it's Instagram, maybe it's TikTok, or maybe it's here on YouTube. You have only one platform that you depend on, that is going to bring you sales. What happens when one day you are slows down? Control platforms, that is for sure, but you can't control where you spread your message, where you are going to sell your products. You can control there the message that you want people to convey, the message that you want people to hear. That one long video that you have, turn it into a short. The short, post it in maybe YouTube Shorts, post it there. Take that short, turn it into a pin, post it in Pinterest. Take the pin, make it into a carousel and post it in Instagram. The short that you had posted on YouTube, take it, post it back in TikTok. Post made into 4 or 5 platforms. You have already placed it there, advertising your work, selling your work. No burnout. You just made one video, made into a short, posted in YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest. Yeah, that's how you grow without restarting every day, without no burnout. You're just advertising yourself out there. People are seeing your product every day when they wake up, when they scroll on different platforms, they meet your product and boom, you get clicks, you get sales, you get trust, recognition. Final mistake. This one makes a lot of people want to quit. This one makes a lot of people want to quit too soon. Ignoring what your audience actually needs. If you post your long video in YouTube and one of your audience, one of your maybe viewer tells you, oh, I've seen you're making good product, can you go back and show us how you sell your product on one of the platforms, like on one of the website like Gumroad, Etsy, or how you post your pin in Pinterest so as to get lots of views, and you just ignore it. That person in your next video, that person will not watch. That person will be like, I told her the other time to make us this video. She just keeps assuming us like the product, it is good, it is helpful, it has made you proud, you like it, but it does not solve any problem. Nobody. It does not solve any problem at all. You are proud of it, yeah. It is so helpful. As you can see, it is the catch, guys. If it does not solve any problem, just know that you are just doing a lot of nothing in your work. People want product that is going to solve solution, that is going to bring a solution in problem that they have in their daily life. Products that I feel comfortable with, I'm so satisfied with them. In my eyes, I say they are so good. But when I post, I get no sales. Nobody cares because actually I give my audience what they want. Nobody's interested in what I'm giving them if it's not solving a problem that they have. What I wanted, not what people wanted to be helped with. When I started asking myself, one of the questions that people ask me, somebody ask, how can I sell a product without not from the websites or other platforms? And that's how I started this series, explaining how you sell, how I made my first sale without using the other web selling marketplaces. It turned into a whole series. I made my first sale and I got clicks in my app, in my website marketplace. Everyone, listen more and create what your audience asks you. That is what they want, not what you want. Create to fulfill their desires. And that's how we'll start growing consistently. The 5 mistakes that are silently killing your marketing results. News is that you don't need to fix all of them. Start with one. Take one point and make good use of it. And watch how things will start changing drastically. All I need now is for you to comment down below and tell me what mistake have you been making. If you are ready for more real talk and zero fluff marketing tips, then hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell. Once I post a video, you get notified, and please click what? Click the like button, share this video so that you can reach a lot of people. Please don't forget to subscribe so that you can get notified once I post a video. This will help you in your digital marketing tips, and digital marketing sales will increase. And see you in the next one. Bye bye.